guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a girl Naishaa and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video you will be seeing how I did this amazing evergreen bridal look in one of my masterclass. So do follow the video till the end and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the very first step, I'm starting with this rose mist from Forest Essentials and it's one of my favorites. It just sets the mood. Now I'm semi-drying it and applying 4-5 drops of hyaluronic serum from L'Oreal and I'll gently massage it into the skin. These two products all together really helps in keeping the skin hydrated for a very long time. So I'll gently massage it, then I'm applying Cetaphil moisturizer. It's one of my favorites, guys. It suits all types of skin and I'll massage it nicely on the skin, on the neck, so that the skin stays hydrated and moisturized for a very long time. Then we'll start the eye makeup first. I'm applying light neutral shade from Tarte on the eyelid area and after applying it, I'll blend it with a damp beauty blender. And guys, I prefer doing eye makeup first because no matter how good your eyeshadow is, there are some flakes which always fall out, so it's better to do eyes first and then you can clean the mess and then you can start doing the base. So to set the concealer in place, I'm using this compact from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Light and I'm using my fluffy brush to gently pat the compact on the concealer so that the concealer is crease free. Now I'll start putting eyeshadows. So for the very first step, I'll put the transition shade on the crease and outer corner of the eyes. So I'm taking this beautiful coral nude shade from Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty and I'm moving my brush in circular motion on the crease area and on outer corner of the eyes. Basically we are enhancing the eye shape first and we are contouring the eyes. So on the crease area and on outer corner only we'll start building the shape and I'll move my brush in circular motions in small strokes. I'm not wiping anything and I'm forming a C shape as you can see. So work on the outer corner in the form of C and move your brush in small strokes and always start with lighter color first and then you can enhance the intensity of colors. So just keep moving your brush. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade from Anastasia's palette and I'm intensifying the eye shape and also the colors which we are putting. So I'm taking this light brown shade and same technique, I'm moving my brush in circular motions and forming a C shape and blending it all together for the seamless eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking a little more darkest brown color and I'm doing the same eye makeup technique just to blend all the colors together for the seamless eyeshadow. In between, I'm also taking light brown shades to diffuse the harsh lines of dark brown color. So you can always take dark colors and then to diffuse it you can use light colors to blend it for the seamless eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this application brush and I'm intensifying the brown color a little more on the outer corner of the eyes, and with the same brush I am creating the shape V shape to intensify the eye shape. And now it's done. Now we'll start applying the liquid eyeshadow. It's from Natasha Denona. To intensify the glittery look, I'm applying this liquid eyeshadow as a base for the glitter and I'm applying it in inverted C form, and after applying it nicely on both the eyes, I'll take a flat brush and I'll make sure that it sits properly on the eyelid area and there are no creases formed. Now I'm using this clean blending brush to blend liquid eyeshadow and brown eyeshadow all together for the seamless eyeshadow look. And now I'm taking this glitter glue from Lit Cosmetics and with the help of a flat brush I'm applying it on the eyelid area. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm applying glitter particles on the eyelid area and it's a beautiful golden glitter shade from Lit. And you can see how pretty the eyes are already looking. Be very gentle while placing the glitter particles. And now to blend the glitter part, I'm again taking a blending brush with same brown eyeshadows and I'm diffusing the glitter part and the eyeshadow part all together. Now with the help of this brown pencil, I am making an eyeliner, and to smudge it I am taking a flat brush and I am taking some brown eyeshadow on it and smudging it nicely for the intense brown eyeliner look. It should look soft at the very same time. So yeah, I'm smudging it. Now to intensify the glittery part, I am applying Urban Decay's glitter eyeshadow, and you can see Bright's eyes are shining bright like a diamond, and yeah, you can see the eyes are looking so beautiful, and you cannot tell from where the eye makeup is starting and where it's ending. Sorry for coming in front of the camera, but while you are curling the eyelashes, it's very important to do it very carefully. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but yeah, I know you'll forgive me for that. Now I'm applying mascara from Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex, and after applying the mascara, I'm going to clean all the mess, that is all the fallout, with the help of a wet tissue. And after cleaning it, we'll apply eyelashes, and I'm quickly drying out my lash glue, and now we'll place the eyelashes. And yeah, practice makes everything better. So while my model takes her call, I'm applying lashes, and I really wanted to keep the look very natural, so I've applied very natural lashes. And now on the high points of the face, I'm applying strobe cream from MAC. And now finally we'll start the base makeup, and for that first step is color correction. So you can see I am applying strobe cream nicely on high points. Now we'll color correct the face, and with the help of this tan sand concealer from Tarte, I'm going to color correct the areas where I feel there's pigmentation on her face, like on forehead, little bit on under eye area, around the lips. So yeah, I'm applying the concealer. Basically, while you do the color correction, always make sure that the concealer's shade is 2-3 shades darker than the original face tone. I didn't use any orange color to correct it. I just used 2-3 shades darker concealer for that purpose. If there is a lot of pigmentation, then you can use orange color also, but my model has a flawless face, so I'm just using 2-3 shades darker concealer, and I'm blending it nicely with the help of a damp beauty blender, and blend. And now for the next step, we'll apply foundation. So I've mixed 2 shades according to her face. Both the foundations I used to create the shade are from NARS. So it's a liquid foundation. So with the help of an application brush, I'm spreading the foundation nicely on the face. Always use a applicator brush for applying the foundation. So very evenly I'm applying, not a very thick layer, just a very normal layer of foundation. On the neck also, guys, don't miss the neck, otherwise it looks very bad in pictures and videos and also in person. So back, neck, even body makeup is very important. So yeah, always make sure that everything looks even. And guys, also please do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really motivates me to make more such content for you guys. And I'm blending it, and I don't know if we noticed that her hairstyling is also almost done, and we have added this beautiful accessories. It's a bola with a lot of sheesh patti for that royal Sabyasachi kind of a look. So yeah, wait for the final look. She was looking so gorgeous, and I'm blending out the product nicely. Make sure that all the things are nicely blended. The base should look like a skin, it should not look cakey at all. So after the foundation application, I am going to quickly highlight the high points of the face, that is forehead area, under eye area, around the lip and lower cheekbone area. And I've used very less product because yeah, I want her to look natural, not artificial. And now I've taken this bronzer, yeah, bronzer from Chanel, and I'm contouring her face. At the time of applying, I'm also blending the product, so I'm not waiting to just apply it and then I'll blend it later. I am doing it at the same time. So I'll quickly contour her cheekbones, her jawline, She has got beautiful features, so we have to highlight it because foundation just adds a white layer on the face, but to create the depth on the face we do contouring. And I'm now, with the help of this brush, I'm contouring nose and lip area. I really like contouring lips also because I really like those pouty lips. And now with the fluffy brush, I'm again diffusing harsh lines if there are any, and my hairstylist Kanu is putting baby braids. And we'll also show you the hair look. It looked very nice, and now I'm intensifying it with Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer. I'm applying it on the contour area and under the eye area I am applying powder. And now we'll also powder the entire face. So for the powder, I've taken it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Vanilla, and with the help of a fluffy brush I am patting it on the face, neck and all over the makeup. So yeah, the makeup is set with the powder. Now I'll apply a little bit powder under the eye area, and we'll do the inner corner of the eyes. So I'm using the same brown pencil on the inner waterline of the eyes, and now I'm smudging brown color under the eye area to make the eyes look beautiful. And now I'm dusting off all the excess powder. Now applying cream blush from Forest Essentials. It's in the shade Gulabi, and I think that after a time when powder brush fades away, this remains, so I powdered it after applying the cream blush. I'm using Orgasm NARS for powdering the blush part. I hope it makes sense. Now for the highlighter, I'm using beautiful shade Champagne Pop from Becca, and I'm applying it on the high points, and I'm also connecting it with the upper part of the forehead. If you have seen, my brush is moving in inverted C form, and on nose also a little bit on the upper lip area and on the chin, and also on the arc of the eyebrows. And then I'm using this beautiful highlighter. Oh my god, it's one of my favorites. And with the help of a small fan brush, I'm just placing the glitter particles for a very dewy glassy look, and you can see her face is shining so much. Now it's time to make brows, and for eyebrows I'm using Anastasia's brow gel. It's in the shade dark brown, and I want to keep the brows very natural, so I'm just following her shape and filling the gaps, and I'm just going to intensify the shape a little more. And after doing the eyebrows, we'll start doing the lips. And lips I want to keep very natural and nude. So first of all, I'm going to outline her lips using Kylie Jenner's nude lip pencil, and it really helps in keeping the lips hydrated for a very long time, and it also helps the lipsticks to stay for a long period of time. So always use lip liner before applying lipstick. So I'm filling the lip color, then I'm using Burnt Spice from MAC, and now we'll apply lipstick. You can see how beautiful this shade is. I would definitely recommend this shade to all of you guys. It's a very beautiful nude shade, and it looks good on all Indian skin tones. So yeah, we'll quickly apply the lipstick, and with a flat brush I'm applying the same color of eyeshadow to make sure that the lipstick stays in place for a long duration of time. And now I'm applying bindi. It's a task to apply bindi with long nails. I hope you can relate if you love keeping long nails. And to add depth on the neck also, I really want the neck to look beautiful, so I'm contouring a little bit, just going with the shape of her face so that her neck looks very beautiful. And also I am contouring her, what are these called? Do let me know in the comment section what it's called. Beauty bone, now I am remember. And at last a little bit sparkle on the neck, and it's the final look, guys.